for come out, come back me. Him for this me, and me not have no back it either. Him alone for have people on film side. Him lucky.
You see, this is what I'm saying. I'll address it later on, right? There's one agenda, right? There's one agenda, and nobody no more political than nobody. Nobody is no more tied to the party than nobody. Everybody is doing the same job. If everybody is working for the same agenda, right? So this mentality with them have, like, this is the bigger platform. Howard have that mentality, and him say it already, and I never like it, right? And they need to stop. Every platform have them purpose, right? And this is the reason why I should say, oh, enough of them, they are not exhibiting socialist behavior. They're exhibiting labor behavior, right? Business who want big something, I'm not I don't talk something I talk. Right? They did it with caution, right? They come and do it with expect. And it's the same person. So that means that person is the problem.
Yeah, so Rush, are you next Rush?
Make them try that shit, no? And then them are gonna know if I just that face they were then sit on the screen.
Oh, yeah. Fuck with Russia different something here. I got Putin back Russia. Oh.
If him ever come for Rush, Anthony, remember me tell you know the next side of me. Me know say I would have drag him.
You never really go on a platform call my name.
Pull up Putin, you have to make nobody know say
He didn't call your name. He was talking about you and she was in the comment. So when the guy came over to Steve to talk about it, Leo, they shut him down and said she said she don't want it over here because she basically shut down, said she don't want it over here because she go over film platform. So two people are screen record the people, them will talk about it and send it to the guy. I guess she don't want her picture to be screen record and sent to him. Right. So it's kind of like protecting yourself from, me don't want to get caught in it. But the same energy where you have to tell people don't talk about it. When you over film life in the comment, a kin off your teeth, type and tell him say it happy.
Exactly, not look good.
Have I ever trouble this boy? This boy now walk and I tell people say anybody with the caution are them are the problem people. Now that the man say. Eh?
Mikey.
Yeah.
You know when me find alarming, no, I don't care about a person's lifestyle and me not care who wants screen record me neither because me might look in a body but my back broad. Anyway, if you see how people gravitate to a type of person where wrong in the sight of God, right? Morally. And we see how people support them kind of people to the point where they want to disrespect you for a specific person and they need to cut out them bullshit and everything they talk about. Liberator go screen record and run with. And they said fucking PNP people, them are screen record people and I carry go give them friend and that's why problem now start make. And you see, if you go them on for you page and listen, I'm bring that shit over my block and see what go on.
But everybody that Jamaica abon out Jay Brian I say what kind of Batman PNP party we have with this boy. A data go on Jamaica right now. We get about 5 calls this evening. You know? I say what kind of man this them a club claim say I'm at the top blogger for PNP. Who him? Then 1 year anniversary. This boy I don't know bigger PNP than me. But you know, him just come PNP after them boy burn him out and bat him out. And him come from social media come talk, you know. Nobody never ask him no question, you know. And them use the same social uno record, you know. All of the shit house, them and the maggot, them and the mongrel level of carry this. Uno record this. The same page we use And do PNP live. And the same page then go up and see me in a play club and hug up and a kiss man. Like people about Jamaica burn fire, I know me. And so don't think say, you know say, all right, you know what? Don't the argument. Don't the argument. We'll be until the day when all them blood clot come in front of me because trust me, I'm not. Yo, them boy, hey. Forget it, natural. Forget it.
Cool down here, Mikey. Don't let them distract we. All me say, I'm going to stand on business. I'm going to say what I say. Once
Yes,
a labor
labor
right
rights.
with me, you
There's
have a
something.
labor right blood in you. You was a labor right and you switch. So you still bring the warboard Kantangara spirit with you. It in you. It embed in you. Because that you represent.
You see when they say, some of my people are licky. This is
What
a
on the look? Hey, you see that somebody are doing in a box? I want to look at Krasmite, you know. Dirty Linton, Utah, who put you over here?
Who this? How this man? How that jazz face?
Right, for always a disrespect people, man.
What is going on around here? What is going on around here?
Here, the last time in Compan, I remember if a female or Steve live and boy, all I want to go suck my golden wood. I want to look at dirty batty boy. No, not entertain him.
I'm going to come up in our box.
I'm not kick them out of the box, man. You listen. Kick
They
them
come up in our box.
Kick them out, man. Kick them out.
You know have me stunt in the night at Torah, so I want to figure out how I really go on. Then we want people them from Judas.
We own people must sell we out. We own people must sell we out, brother. We own people must sell we out, brother. That's it. That's it. Hey.
So them come after Espec, so I rush next because Espec live of our 6 till 9 and we make sure say we put that in a team. And we have rush back.
Stay free, Maxi Pada Mountain and Bumbuckler talk to Mike Natural. I open a tape that and give to him. No shit house.
So it too nice, it too lovely, beautiful woman them around their life at night time. And I build their platform and them people them want to tear it down. The same Judas them want to tear it down.
You don't feel a batty boy.
Let me tell you something. You learn to read energy here. And not everybody want to see come round and come on a tap up screen and a text in a comment and jump in a box. And not all of them real. And that me don't see about some of them and that's why I left one live last night. Because you see if me stay there, things would get dirty. So me just cut off. From last night me dark, you know, but me just hold me own, you see me? Some of them not real.
I'm gonna notice.
Well, me know say from last night, from me go there, me hear from me dep on the For You page, me listen, and then because I can't see when I come in, so me go over there, because I want to see who over here, because that is important. It is important for see when people are settings boy, you who sit down there, watch what them a type and say, I saw you know loyalty, and me tap in, and when me see and me hearing call Mikey name, me say if me could have had done him. Because me I say, you little fishy, you're too out of order. I am a woman, come trace me. Come make a reason, because I would have taken him to Shibada school. Remember me tell you that?
You see, let me tell you one thing will go on. The woman, I mean, I put my mouth and go and talk. You have a woman on this thing and say she a PNP. She interviewed one youth one evening. Say my artist. The youth am for be a JLP activist where that man involved in the unaliving of my granduncle. The youth when they invite on the program unalive my little cousin where I'm baby mother. And through political lineage in get early release. Yeah? The Cross might they have him on them page and interview him, say my how his father used to beat him and re. Then me, Me make a link to the woman and say, listen to me, you realize that you do not interview last night. Analyze my cousin, eh? And his father is a JLP activist where him name a call concern analyzing. We don't know that. Oh, we never know. He's just an artist and we never know. Me say, oh, no, never know. What the name? Pablo Escobar and a woman. Yeah? And when them interview that youth that night, me, say them say, excuse me, you realize that dude on the interview actually analyze my family? Yeah? But you have him for a year. Oh, we never know because I interview them around. You hear? See? And from me say that day to them people, you see them cross mic there? You come like say, me shouldn't say it. Like them have a right. They don't respect nobody. And nobody can tell them nothing. See? And then say the whole way of PNP. Right? Okay. Fine, fair enough. I don't know. Feelings be a carry or nothing. But you have a JLP activist son on the line of interview where analyze my family if you sit down so. And I say, wait, what kind of behavior is that? Eh? Oh, artists, them start out with artists and artists, I come with a little blam sham. Oh, it's artist thing we're doing. Artist thing them bomber, artist thing where? Everybody around come, oh, a music thing then clap. But we love it. See? Me ask a question about it because what? It affect what me I say, what kind of behavior is? What is going on here? So how we get to do that? See? But nobody can talk to them because they can do anything you want. Now this batty boy, hey, this punk, freak of nature. Which part of the world in there? We can't make it a test case, you know. The last January. I can't make it a test case because I come like say, don't put some shit house thing say, me fear anybody on earth. I've never done that. Just tell me where the cross might live now, man.
And a Jamaica in there. Oh, I thought he was in Jamaica.
No, you know the reason why them give so much trouble. We can't make it a test case, you know. Anyway, in I work, just tell me which part I work in there.
As long as you disrespect my comrade sister and comrade brother, me not stand no ground with you. If you want blaze fire upon the green people, then you blaze it. But if you come out disrespectful and not disrespect people and not call people out of their name and not style them up, me not go on your platform, me not listen to you, me a blaze a fire upon you. As long as you stay in your fish lane and you don't trouble the straight people.
No, a straight nation never right. A straight nation never right.
Me and you go have a problem.
The batty boy can't talk about say anybody with the caution sign and them a give problem. I first fucking thing that the boy start from people, you know, that shit house, you know. No batty no fuck pan for we avenue, that straight nation we say, you know.
I say we are scammer.
And we are scammer. So when we in a scam dick from man. Not a clean job. Yeah?
But you know say a two we are cash and a friend with that boy then I like we. We and him don't have no.
Me know. None of we ain't know.
Like we.
But at the same time.
Makes sense.
But
I understand.
but the whole thing behind it, the whole thing is this. Whatever in fashion of, that's between them. Right?
The only thing I'm glad for still because yesterday when expected me say boy in them I go back alive and me I said Judge I expect really make them get to where that I have to go come off and 6 till 9 everybody I look forward to him look a platform at night time. But me glad this is a boy you woman up back and can run back your life. Because I didn't really feel yesterday you know when they say you're not go back live you know. I mean, I say that they want here because they want control.
Me tell you, I remember call out the name. This is Jordan. Jordan are the first one disrespect me. When me ask about me talk about the Samoa agreement. Me not hide and talk. Jordan are the first man disrespect me on the platform here. When me talk about the Sam and me never call nobody no name. Me don't know who a fuck nobody come like him no. See? Jordan are the first man mix me up in some fuckery in front of the same Escobar two people them seeing and couple of others. They in the same clique. Me no know them. Me I don't think I expect like me on a rush like. And Jordan, come over there.
Yes.
Come apologize to me. They may not make people draw me. So me ask a question. What's wrong with asking a question? But that's an agreement. I come try you go and get a reprimand like me a picnic. Eh? And when me get mad, nobody has to cool. Me say, cool what? How you feel disrespect me? What you know? Who business about the batiology thing where we not go on with? I who know as batty man. That don't affect me. I don't give a fuck. No boy can't go and talk about them a batty me. Me shoot that. Talking loud for every platform. A straight nation, me say. From way back when. I'm not today yesterday.
When I see me change my name, Mikey.
Yeah?
Expect 3 hours straight nation with my man and my woman.
Cool, no man. You wait. You go on with us. You wait.
That's why I don't want nobody put me in no fucking group. No fucking group, no nobody put me.
No, but I don't say group that. I don't say group where PNP we do the work in the brother. What? Some PNP better than some. And that's what you tell me. Socialist and us.
Him did have
We are
something
one team.
against me.
One team. And that we know about.
If the group never create, I would hear all of them something the way I'm having in brain for say about me.
They're not true, man. They're not
And
true.
he have time. Look how much writing him do. What a time him have he?
No, man. Batman always have time, you know.
True.
Batman always have time.
And them trace like gal. Because them have gal
No,
thing than see.
man. You better make sure me no blood clot catch him. Nowhere at all on earth. That me a bomber clot tell him. And a batty no fuck on my avenue. You see,
Look here.
you come from my life.
Look. And we over here, sir, the problem. So the unity now got there, pandis. The unity now got there.
Man, I forgot you. Take it to me.
Yo, that's why I decide to just hold on.
Yeah, mute your mic.
All right, me reach work out be listening. Listen, you know that. But I make them distract. Make we go back to something nice and not think about no straight lean man. Make them think to say them have the key. I fire upon them, Saddam and Gomorrah, lightning and thunder.
I'm that. Me tell if you go back to Warmington, go get some extra battening because that thing want. You miss him. Blood is me. They're the worst junk of them mess with, man. Remember me tell you that. Nobody trouble these people. Nobody not trouble them. Nobody not diss them. People just not see them and them vex. That's it. See? We don't care if they're straight, lean or what. You do your blogging with the same upon your page people go. They see you batty up the thing. Nobody asks you a question. Nobody asks you nothing about your battyism. You come out for internet and talk. Nobody ever ask you no question. Me no want no batty man. So if them have a problem with me as a straight man, my pitney make on the parrot already, my grandson the parrot already. So what the problem? Go make one pitney arm and top fuck batty. Them out of order, them come and rush expect. They're not supposed to trouble the lady. She not do nobody nothing. When we are born the fire, so the expect I say, we no cool here, man. Nobody will make them turn. Yeah. See her, me not tell no lie upon her. One time she had the peacekeeper. She had the peacekeeper. enough time when we get ignorant. And she say, yo, no cool, no, Menenton. Ray. And the person not trouble you can't get what, a weak fence? The batty boy no strong no woman around here. Cause you try to be woman and woman them already woman. You're weak to them. So what? For war they want to can start, you know.
Well, anyway, the woman them they after them like me hitch up and you know busy about
Of course,
them
you know
over
what the
there.
woman in there with there. After one of them up some batty boy.
Yeah, which part of the woman them there with there? A woman me say.
You are celebrate 1 year of blogging. Look how much PNP blog I mean know I blog for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years. Yeah? Are you the fan page that can disrespect me? Me. Because I'm a different woman. No one them a batty man. Me different woman. I drag me. Dirty beard boy. Fine. Me never. Nah, fuck nobody. Oh man, I'm a property. Guys, I be say you don't say who come on. But I realize right now, feel space and lily down. Bridget, this is more than foolishness. It's big people we in the party and we are doing what we are doing. And you can start war with people in the same party. Eh? Nobody trouble this fucking Krasmite.
Watch it, man. Respect.
What, Anthony?
Why you find a song and play for me tonight? Now salute we friend them. Now go this.
We friend them. Oh, please. Tag up on them.
Cosmo find it. My baby, I use the tablet.
Oh, sorry. Oh, shit, your baby Allen here. Oh, my God. My apologies.
Cosmo, big selector, I know. What more we stand?
What's up? What's up?
Yo, brother, yo. What a go on, what a go on?
There's a Batty Nation I call up my name.
Yo, brother. You need to go up a St. Andrew and ask Joe at the formula when I did give Andrew. Make him ball out for bam. But they are try to take care of me animal, you know. So I just wanna go and listen up, but me not know me come in, but just go up a St. Andrew man up already is where they live. Me never know. And ask Juliet what the formula when he use for Andrew. Make Andrew ball out for bam. Cause I one of that he want. When I deal with them around here, man. When I ignore them, my best thing, man, and go and ignore them. If it talk, you have somebody argue, or somebody argue, and answer them, and what? Then just stop and disappear, you know.
No, but then come after, a boy come after expect. Yeah, say it's wrong.
One of the sweetest and nicest girl there, someone. So I expect could I do him so.
Your blood. See that? You come like, you not even know her ass. See that? Same fucking thing. I hope me go get a worm now to blood.
Oh, you're a rascal. So I expect I give him competition or things I expect. Come no expect not trouble nobody when I'm trouble.
Now war in the energy. Come my friends them know we no pre-bad energy. Cargo rise make menacing. And one no bad mind dirty and jealous.
The whole Jamaica burn him out, you know. The whole Jamaica labor right burn him out. Right now, the party I get touched because of J. Brian. The PNP party.
Father God,
You don't know the can of room I open to blood. You don't know natural. You don't know the can of room I open. You
The
think
whole
of spaghetti.
Jamaica burn out the PNP party because of blood clot J. Brian. You don't stay up here and send it go game. Please. Stay up here and send it go game.
Him
The
think of some
whole
spaghetti,
Jamaica
but
burn out
it's a
PNP
can of
because
rum
of
him to
blood
blood
clot Batty
clot.
boy J-Brand.
How what do you, man?
The whole Jamaica burn out PNP because of blood clot J-Brand.
How look we come mess with Torrated?
Make sure that the penny section get the memo. The whole Jamaica burn out PNP because of J blood clot, Brian. Make sure that the penny section get that. Boy, they are come fight. I come rush PNP woman.
You understand?
Fish. If you come after expect anytime from after now, you remember some in the equation. And me not care if you want me in a fight. Me I put myself in it.
Boy, he look like he licking there, man. He licking blasted it, brother.
The whole Jamaica burn out PNP because of J Brand. Fucking fish. Tell him to come today. Me have white beard because when me used to carry me long slingshot. And me that him could have banned and say they would have dashed him in a rascal condom. And that way fuck make him. That's why more dealings in the pan.
He shouldn't pass this blood clot. He shouldn't pass a condom.
Now look here, all the winner penny section are tape. Fuck way fuck make it, that's why I backdoor dealings in the pan. Anybody go on J-Brand live, go look on the two blood clot fish them in the club. I go up on a blood clot dance and I kiss up.
I'm trying to say talk to you.
So all I want is this deep down game. They tell that bomber who say no make me buck him per earth.
The next day when he see my come.
But tell Peter Bunty with blood clot putting on his ras clot.
Me soon forward. I do something I'm like in a chat. Me soon forward. Beg a couple of minutes. Alright.
The whole Jamaica have burn out PNP because of J blood clot, Brian. Because of fucking fish. Send it to the penny section. No man of grudging being battyology. You run come this expect. Yeah, this a woman and you have fish. The video when put up every real socialist and you have burn him out. When I get this aquarium dweller from I represent PNP, I know me I say so. I people my Jamaica say so. You want somebody to war with? Go and go war with them. But no come war with no woman around me, I bat him and go. No war with no woman around me, I come feed woman, I come disrespect the woman. I shouldn't do nothing. And everybody will stand up. You see all that blood clot woman about each in here heaven. You have bumbo clot Delilah, Satan, everybody in a blood clot one. Come round man, the man live and I go like you really fake no bumbo clot. And then come round people. People no business with them and their lifestyle. Because no batty boy can't come near me. You can talk about dirty beard. Dirty, me rascal. Then the whole on. What you call for your bumbo hole. We block up the pussy cloud and then bung up. Are you see one come from place can talk about who you so bat me you and beat you and bat me? I don't mean say so, you know. Are you see one can talk out of your mouth? You think me a soft soap? Continue to talk about me when me catch your blood clot. But bumbo clot, Ray and Lay. Everybody call the mic here, what kind of man this PNP have? Say represent them. Him a PNP don't fall right now. Nobody don't like PNP because it's batty boy. Since that nobody want blood clot talk to her, a woman they go attack, you fucking maggot. Eh? Oh, you feel attack expect of me, sit on yourself as a man. Or some other man in a political party here, you attack, expect, and not do nothing. Them a batty man too. What you tell me, sir? Me not defend the Empress. Eh? I should have done nothing. Fucking maggot. No, brethren, we can't take this. This is an idiot thing. It's a big idiot thing. And you know what? This expect say I said something a while ago, you see? You see, energy is a hell of a blood clot thing. Cause enough of them come talk about them a PNP and them are your friend. And they see them all fucking job as them sit down there skin up them blood clot teeth. Expect you never see a thing better, mama. Never see a thing better. Yeah? Me no feel no, me no regret defending, talking out against who try this. That don't faze me. That one bit. Cause you not trouble people. You know trouble people, you know harass people, you know disrespect nobody, you go through. Tell if you go make one picnic or because I'm bung up. Tell if you go make one fucking picnic because I want the priority already. Grand picnic too. Batty boy. Fucking out of order. And when them do them thing now, you know what? We have some junk we claim to them a PNP. Yeah? Sit down and skin up them little dirty stinking bumbo hole. While man a disrespect woman. Me not take that. Me not go there no way. And this fucking maggot disrespect no woman. She have her pitney man and said her youth them go to school. Go get pitney man. Go fucking make one. You batty man bumbo clad. And you come disrespect real woman. Go and go call Bunting no go complain to him, you batty man bumbo clad. Take me and send it go give him to. You come around and come harass the woman. You disrespect the fucking woman. I want a blood clot hypocrite, blood clot PNP nastiness. With the online. Here say this man disrespect the woman. And none of them can't talk to him. Because I'm a what? Because I'm a batty man. As bad as things be. All are we are people. Iman Dujan have a problem. See? And the man put Dujan pick me. Pan something and attack the man. I said it is wrong. We don't be the man a labor right or not. Stop attack the people and pick me. It is not right. Do not attack the people and children. I said that from the onset I come on this platform. Expect, am I saying anything wrong? Hey, mama, am I saying something wrong? We said don't attack the people and pick me. No man, my blood pressure good mighty one man. My blood pressure alright man. Alright man. Just stop attack.
Mikey, good day. Mute, little Mikey. Mikey, mute little, because I don't have an echo thing. But what I expect, Mikey, listen man, Mikey, stop giving people energy. You why me say so, Mikey? You why me say so? Them don't deserve it. You know who you gonna know who the real people are? You just observe the life of them and you see who the real people are. There are some adults here who, and I don't care who want be recording me. I'm an adult and free to an expression. So whoever want to record me and take it back and whatever, when adults become fools to children who have lost the way, for them business that you don't disrespect adult people and then adults back it. The amount of them coming in a space over there, right? And sending out information with a gossip. And people are fair temperate and say, and that's how it go. Don't do that. You can't say that about she. And a she can talk that about. So you know me though? Me know me have people to fight my thing for me because they know who I am. Mikey, stop giving them your energy. Stop giving them your energy, Mikey. Mikey, cream, float to the top. Stop giving me energy because guess what? At the end of all this, well, we as a PNP, and also at the end of all this, you're going to happen, Mikey. The end of all this, the longest liver will live to hear what happened. Because the same way people can disrespect us, we're not going to take to disrespect other people who are trying to hold on to them with their life. I'm paying my mind, Mikey. Mikey, them not worth it, babes. You're a Rasta man, make them go on, man. Stop giving them negative people their energy, man. Them come to divide.
But
They are here
Andrea,
to divide.
Chris, is that let me say, don't disrespect the lady. She has not done anything, right? You can't come for a lady where she in her own space, she not harass no one. And because we have a sign for we name, you walk up and down and tell people that we are the troublemaker anytime and see the sign them and we are the problem people around town. You walk, you make rumors on us. We name PNP and you are bust the PNP apart because you love you love get button in your rear end. Nobody never ask him no question, you know. Him go on internet and talk, oh man, button him and beat him and button him and beat him, you know. Nobody ask him any questions. Right? When we realize, we say, no. The same thing we are doing PNP live plan. Him and man in a club and hug up and a kiss up. And the people them take it off and broadcast, you know. PNPs in Jamaica are angry because their money when they say, you tell them what they say, they have a Batman blogger to PNP. And Jamaica people are that are not me. So since that's about come after me and think you're small friend, go for the big fish name the whole of Jamaica PNP when they like a Batman then.
Mikey, let them go. Let them go on. Let them go. Let them go on. Let them go, Mikey. Let them go on. It's the same way I tear up. Let me tell you something. I talk all the while, you know. I said, me caution a friend pa WhatsApp everything and I don't block him and him not block me. And the reason why I'm going to deal with caution, I'm going to go on him live one time and him kind of rub me hard and I'm just not going to deal with him. It don't mean me I'll come make a problem. I hate what we caution logo or whatever. Listen to me, man. Stop give them the energy, man. Stop give them the energy. You know, make them go on. The longest live. You will live to see them, you know. They're going to follow. You see them, you know. You will see them. And I don't give a rat ass who want to take me or who are in a For You page or whatever. And I take because that's all they do. Them come to destroy.
You know, say, Andrea, you know, say, trouble us like rain, though. Seeing? Me dey on a live the other night, you know, and that particular woman there, you know, me I send her request. But she not come up, and she normally come and say, oh, that lady not come up. What lady not come up? Anyway, she must be busy because everybody can busy. See? One time she run past and I go to book and say, oh, here, Evan, you can't come up, you know. With there, I'm like, she not come up. Only for years, you know, she in there skin up her blood clot teeth and they on live with them and disrespect me. And then I go out with her texting and all and something there. And she claims that she a PNP. And as she reads with me, talk to me, round me, right? So you understand me? Me not like fake people. Me not play hypocrite game because I feel that with -100 when I go to school. So hypocrisy is not my game, not my forte, right? This woman come round, me never ask somebody to come round because me not look nobody like that. Me show respect to everyone. Me show humbleness, right? Me sure say, yo, me there so because I'm a patriotic Jamaican. Me not only PNP. Me concerned about things. Me there's right here so in England and a whole heap of things that do for me youth them the Westerns. Andrea, you know this. Andrea, you know so me stay right here so in England. And a whole heap of youth me I send go all about the inner places. Andrea, you know that. And if you ask
Mikey, that is why I'm saying to you, who don't know, don't know. Are you feeling me as somebody that talk about you? Mikey, who don't know, don't know. They leave it alone. Make them go and see what they want to say. You understand? Somebody down at the bottom and ask who you talk about. But yesterday, you know, it's when the guy do the thing, I went search them do it. So I tag me, you know. I'm say present me there. When I talk my face one now. And him say, yeah, I want you as a present. And him carry it down and him disrespect. And him count on who left in a group and who left in a wall. Him disrespect chef, disrespect you and him start by me. I'm Mr. Brethren, play whatever you say, tape out me, play from the start to the finish. Don't just only select where you want to select. Play from the start to the finish because I'm me go to change the whole mood. You understand? I mean, the truth is, I've not been on the live for a while. From see the old video come out the other day, I not go back on the live. I'm kind of hurt by that video there. So if you check back, I didn't go back on his live. I wasn't on the live the Wednesday, and I wasn't on the live anytime after that until them tagged me yesterday. You understand? Because we just like peace. But can't bother with them. When me see the kind of people that make some remark, I mean, so but the point of things them people are type and them don't know nothing about me. Because a little boy talk certain things, a little boy being so disrespectful. Mikey, they're seeking validations. You say you're not seek validation, you say you're conscious and know who you are, you can't make a little man get you out, or some little people get you out. Because they're only seeking validation, Mikey.
Like this, no fish. Mighty one, this is mighty one. I truly don't know where you are, mighty one. Bring up mighty one for me, please.
Oh, we are talking about a while ago. Which female are talking about a while ago?
He's in the back.
No. Expect me to tell her to bring up mighty one.
He's in the back.
Eh? Oh, yo, mighty one, open your microphone, brother.
Oh, yeah, sir.
You know about this mighty one?
No. Yeah, yeah, man?
Yeah, me, I hear you know.
No, man, no, but it's my arts.
And the lady will have the 2H for her first name and her last name.
2H, yeah, first name, last name.
No, brother, I'm not going to hear it.
Yes, sir?
Hear heaven.
Oh, the lady there.
Look how me dip on my live.
I don't know her, because I really don't know much of them. I don't know her.
Always dip on my live. There are reasons that someone you should talk to all of the people in Ray always up on my life. Always. And you are skin up teeth with Dre bread and it's me. Yeah, you, as a woman, you make a man who want to be a woman and this a straight man. That boy never go ask Pythagoras how that equation they right.
No, you see, what I realize now, I can ease off of certain people because you can't get about a person life then discuss them on a different life in a negative way. You see me? You see, if you're not just keep your mouth shut. You see me? Because you look away. Sometimes I feel like the TikTok thing I break because all the people fake. You see me?
Let me tell you something. That boy there, one night he in the concoction, right? So when you Natalie Price or Natalie, whatever she name, come this me and Cash, show, tell them, show, put out video, say me, that is my bowling. Me say put out anything you want. Me can't say anything about anybody. Me a PNP, me a patriot. I went see you happy. Eh? You know that name down the whole world between woman and man. The girl come to on this me. I'm going to go up on face fast. I'm going to type, I'm drop. And all me do wait for, me say me wait for your move. Because me have your picture, me have your jail picture, me have have all of your charges, me have how much time you spend, which institution, me have everything I wait for that bitch which I'm show up. And she won't show up. Everything. Me keep it and me hold it and I want, and my brethren who's a liar in Jamaica, call me. My high school classmate ring me and say, yo, natural. Me know what I go on. Me will deal with it. Not say a word, just hold it because they look at tension. Natalie Stacko, Natalie Price. It was said that she and him are brethren. See? Me don't know about that. I don't know because me don't know. Me are no fucking tadpole, ain't no fucking friends. See? When she come with her threat, me remember when I got somewhere and somebody send me click a Dre Brian live me drop on. One lady look at me and say, oh, it's a Mikey Natural and a Mikey Natural come up. Me never go on him live. Then bring me talk, I'ma come off. I don't know who Dre Brian is. Never seen him before. Never have a conversation. No, me don't know this dude. See? All of you say this man I walk up and I say, anybody with a caution child, them I make problem. See? Me not trouble this man. Me not know this youth. Me never associate with him. See? Me and him click, not click. Fine. It goes on. It went on. See? When him and caution must have something. Me don't know nothing about it. Me don't know nothing about them something there, you know. Right? Me can't make it. Me not blame caution because me have the caution sign on my name. The other day, about a couple of weeks ago, he said the same thing. So people with the caution sign and them a problem. No, me not trouble this youth. Me not this youth. Me not know this youth. Our him say, per internet played out and people hear him. Right? When I say, him, that, me say, okay, fine, fair enough. Me don't want to hear that. But oh, the man hold long, man, and booger them. Me don't want to hear them something there. See? Him write a message like, at the same way him go after Dujan Pitney. And I said, it is wrong to disrespect a man's child. If you're doing politics, you do politics, leave the man Pitney outside. Labor right, PNP, WPGA, UIC, I don't care. Leave the Pitney outside. That is what I said. You see our bomber clad Jordan, a hypocritical blood clad Escobar them. Eh? You see them pussy clad people eh? Them people they are some wicked bomber clad people. The labor right activists were responsible for the unaliving of my Ross uncle and my yo, hey, don't mind, but me tear down this blood clot for everybody, you know. Escobar, the interview one youth. His right name is Pitiless. A Pitiless right name. But he call himself I am more. The youth, that are the labor right activist son. The labor right activist dead. The man was known. Unalive, my cousin was a fisherman. A PNP man. He tear down my grandfather's house and steal the land. Me not have nothing against somebody, you know.
But
what's actually going on?
But Mikey, but to be all fair still, right? Is this information is public?
What I said there was.
Yeah, but if it's public, no, like public mean by people know about this. Because if they never know it, they can't really bash themselves because maybe they might know. We are here to get information. So if that happen, I never know they can't really complain. But if they know about it,
yeah. Everybody come and I pretend about the music. Everybody, all of a sudden, everybody the music. And you can't see what they do. When she interviewed, you text them and say, listen to me, what are you people doing? Don't you know this youth is that activist son who unalive my cousin? which it was his baby mother, and cut up the little youth in her hand. And because them have green people, they get him out of jail early. Oh, she never know. He was just come to her as an artist. Me say, if you know what I do in a life, you know. If you know what I do, you know. The man cut out, when the man cut out the girl and the baby in a girl and boy cut up, you know. And that the shit house they have an interview, Papa. That the shit house they interview, you know. Red Eye Bumbleclad Davis was the activist. I'm afraid to call him blood clot name. Any man used to use cutlass and lick him mama is a wicked blood clot per earth. Tell us me say that. Boy, I beat Miss Ellen, that big old ugly ass labor right activist. Lick him mama when beat him mother with cutlass. You know what me talk it? You know what me say it? Public fucking knowledge. Retreat content St. Mary. And at that the money that them have Fime's son will analyze my cousin and cut up the little pit in her hand too. They have an interview upon blood clot this. The fucking Escobar them. Next thing me ask about the Samoa agreement. Jordan. Blood clot Jordan Williams. Agreement Jordan. That fucking shit out. Cause disrespect me upon a life. When me ask about something. The implications of how it affect the small man. Him get at me. Through Dre Bryan end up on the blood clad penny section and the Escobar them. He come back and left. I don't remember which one of the lady alive went upon. When he come there, oh Mikey, me tell her sorry because me shouldn't talk to you like that. People are drawing you to think. Me say, brother, the Samoa agreement of public knowledge. And from this, I realize when something start because when Batty Click develop, man, I talk about him brother fish. Me never ask you no question, Jordan. Are you reveal that? I never ask you one question about this because I don't mix with them something. I don't talk about them thing there. And you come forward with the end and say you must see your brother about a Batman or so. And me don't know. And you disrespect me. If you ask for the Samoa agreement. And what? Do you involve Batty thing? You get up in your bumbo club, Batty feelings, your Batty clique.
But Mikey, but you think now, I'm gonna say why I really agree with this similar thing because the Constitution protect every man, child, woman. It not cater about your sexuality once you're a man, a child, and a woman. The Constitution protect you. So when I come to someone, I may not understand that because the Constitution already protect everybody. It's just that people don't like certain behavior, and that is fine. That is a human trait. If I see you and I don't like certain behavior that you have, I have all right to not be a part of it or discredit it. You see me? Like because everybody do these things. Because if I come out as a fact, like we're a fat man and jump out down, we might be like out a shirt. You're going to have certain people going to disgusting by it. And that is okay. So why is it that it is okay for certain things and not okay for certain things? You see me? The Constitution already protect who's supposed to protect. Why this is coming? First of all, teaching sexuality in school do not have no such benefits in society. You see me? And this is what happening now. People don't realize that the world our existence is getting out of hand. If we continue on this route, we're not going to exist. Because we're going to need persons with a well-thinking mind to actually continue certain things when certain people they exist anymore. So if you are trying to sabotage the human body for your experiment and wealth gain, this is not going to last for long, because when you reach a certain age, you're going to have a difficult problem with yourself.
Brother,
So why is it we are
do you
teaching
know
these
that
things?
there is still a vaccine mandate for people joining the military and the police of Jamaica right now?
I know, because of what I said earlier, because Jamaicans media do not push it up, because I can't hear nothing on the media when it comes to us Jamaica.